let's, being in the center of a bunch of hills is tactically disadvantageous because people can hide on the tops and throw things or shoot at you. Anyway, I'll cut right to the chase because I might die. Look what these fucking are. What the fuck is going on in here? And this isn't like woods I've never been to. Like, I've been here before. I've been here a lot. I've been here so much, I've actually been to the hospital getting stitches because of some of the adventures that I've had. That's beside the point. These are all different fucking people. And they're all just... This is Utah, Florida. They're all different. They're all fucking different. Every single one. This one's from Georgia. And look at this shit. Like, look where the fuck we are. Sorry, spiderwebs. Oh no, this is a dude. It's a dude, 26. Last seen August 5th. There's no year. LAPD. Like, you had to stand in this shit. Fuck. Of all the days not to bring my fucking bug spray. But like, somebody's fucking standing in this shit to tape these up. I don't even know whose house that is down there, or anything about this fucking fire pit. Somebody clearly went to a lot of trouble to make the fire pit. And over here in the middle of the fire pit, that's a shovel. Look at that. These are just the ones that I've gone and close up. I did close ups so far. Look at this. What the fuck is this?